Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by gathering ID, passport copy, and a compliant photo. This avoids delays. Once those are ready, create an account on the official police clearance portal and verify your email and phone immediately so you can receive codes. Next, choose your payment method and preload funds if using a bank transfer. Make sure to note any reference numbers. They will link to your application. Start the online form now to lock in your applicant number and timestamp. You should complete each field exactly as shown on your ID to avoid mismatches that cause rejections. After entering details, upload clear scans of your ID, passport page, recent photo, and address proof. Use the recommended file types and sizes. Once uploads are attached, select standard or expedited processing and choose pickup or courier delivery. Then confirm payment, double-check the reference, and submit. If the portal times out, saving drafts as you go prevents data loss and speeds resubmission. You finalize by tracking the application with the portal reference. Status updates arrive by email and SMS. Once approved, download the digital police clearance and verify all fields. If a physical copy is required, follow the pickup or courier instructions and bring ID. If there's a rejection, read the reason immediately, correct the specific document or data mismatch, and resubmit. Corrections are faster than new applications. For delays, contact support with your reference number and upload a screenshot of the error for quicker resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.